A father learned a lesson from his son. Balan was a carpenter. He was living in a village. His mother died a long time back. His aged father, Kupan, lived with Balan. Kupan was very weak. He could not even walk well. He was so quick. It was because Balan did not give him enough food. He had given his father a small earthen plate. Even a small quantity of rice on the plate appeared to be much. Balan was a bad man. He always ate drunkard also. After taking drinks, he abused his father badly. Balan had a son. His name is Mutu. Mutu was just 10 years old. He was a very good boy. He loved his grandfather. He had great respect for his grandfather. He did not like his father's attitude and character because his father was treating his grandfather cruelly. One day Kupan was eating his food out of eaten plate that his son had given to him. The earthen plate fell down. The plate broke into pieces. The food also fell on the floor. Vela was walking at the other end of the room. He saw the broken plate. He was very angry with his father and used very harsh words to abuse his father. The old man felt bad about what happened. He was sorry for his mistake. Balance was wooden him very deeply. Balance's son, Motu, saw this. He did not like his father. His father was ill-treating his grandfather. He was afraid to speak against his father. He was sad about his grandfather, but he was not powerful to stand in support of his grandfather. The next day, Mutu took some of his father's carpenter tools and a piece of wood. He worked with the tools to make a wooden plate. His father saw him walking. "What are you making, Mutu?" he asked. "I am making a wooden plate," replied Mutu. "A wooden plate? What for?" asked his father. "I am making it for you, father. When you grow old, like my grandfather, you will need a plate for food. A plate made from earth mat breaks very easily. Then I may scold you severely. So I want to give you a wooden plate. It may not break so easily." The carpenter was shocked to hear this. Only now did he realize his mistake. His father was kind to Balan. He had looked after Balan very well. Now he was old. Balan was treating his father severely. Balan was now very sad about his own behavior. He realized his mistakes. He then became a different person. From that day, Balan treated his father with great respect. He gave up drinking too. Balan learned a lesson from his own son. You should honor your parents all that at all times. It is your duty. It brings you their blessing.